Does your dog pull, lunge and bark when out on walks? Or maybe your dog obsessively barks at the front window or fence. Maybe the trigger is other dogs, maybe it's people, or it could even be bicycles, skateboards, vehicles or wildlife. Would you like to change this behaviour? Reactivity has many different underlying emotions and motivations, but can be modified using a single methodical approach called offered durational engagement. In this workshop, we discuss many aspects of reactivity. We also take a detailed look at the process of offered durational engagement, as well as distraction techniques and management protocols. Join me for this FDSA workshop, Behaviour Modification for Reactivity. Workshops include 2 webinar-style presentations with an emphasis on practical technique application. There's also ample opportunity to ask specific questions, so get your questions ready. See you there.